Well, it's that time of the year again, folks. I am in the creator's bedroom because the living room's occupied right now. And we're on a bed this time, not a couch. Yeah, cheap budget cuts. And it's very dark. It's a bunk bed. I can't see anything here. So, anyway, today we're going to be starting off the 4th year in a row. Yeah, 4 years. Of the 12 Days of Christmas with the Engines. And yeah, unlike the second year, we won't be doing it a day early. So, yeah, I'm going to be watching the complete season 1. Not the whole thing. It's not going to be like 2 hours long. Just like a clip of every episode. So, let's go. It should not be this long. Help! I'm getting dragged! Yeah, I made it up the hill with 5 cars. Hey, you left me behind! I'm going to crap on Henry.
He was almost there when
My Express now. Wait, what are you doing? No, Thomas, no, come back. Hey, come back here. I paid good money for this. Hey, I brought the crane. Bootlace. Yay!
Perhaps it was instinct.
Wait, you left me behind.
Fish? Was trouble ahead?
Speed racers go. You spin me right.
Wheesh went. Gordon, get out of my way!
Cole! First on screen crash, baby.
Is it electric? Asked Bridget. Whoosh! Hey, you!
Death.
But he couldn't stop himself and slithered into a ditch. Whoosh! He hissed. Get me out! Get me out! See? Suddenly,
Surprise! Legos. Well, and that was it. See you next time. Goodbye.